Happiness letter rack by a big letters in the sky. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use this product. Take this plug out and the plug on this side. Now we install the two stands. Install the plug. The shooting angle is adjustable. As you can see, we have many holes on the product. You can change the position of the stands to adjust the shooting angle. This rack has two layers, the top layer and the bottom layer. Each layer has 121 holes on the panel, 11 by 11. While you put the tube inside, please make sure that the two corresponding holes on both the top layer and the bottom layer goes together. A small gap on each hole, and also there is a gap on the tube as well. This is for the igniter of the fireworks to get through, so while you are installing the tubes, the firework won't get hurt.